reward you with.
Reading my book and drinking my soda.
What are you reading?
Fly Guy Best Way.
Cool. Do you want to read some to Dad?
Sure.
Read this page.
He was the, is that right? Same size as Fly Guy. I have bad news. What?
Good job.
Pirates came last night.
What are you reading? Do you know what? You want to know something really cool? That's the book. I read that book in 5th grade, not 3rd. So you're reading a 5th grade level book right now.
Oh!
Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, the kids just got home from school.
Hey! We're making cookies.
And we're just waiting for Dylan to get home from school. Duke's waiting. Him's been sad. I don't quite know what to think of having you gone. I'm noticing with this camera, if I get too far into the light, there's a purple line that's running
You took one?
up and down in the camera. What did you do?
I took a candy, so I'm taking one too.
We're just getting homework done. I'm picking up the house and we're gonna film a video. And
Imagine.
that's really it. I mean, I thought her cough was gone. I'm kind of sad that it's not. So, anyways, yeah. That's about it. The kids are talking to you right now on the phone.
You might think they're really good.
I'm sure they will be. I'm sure you will make delicious cookies.
I'm happy, Mommy, as soon as we get soap.
As soon as we get soap? What do you mean as soon as we get soap?
So I can wash my hands?
Oh, we have soap. She can wash her hands.
Because I get home.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, little girl.
Okay, so y'all have pillows, right?
Yep.
2 pillows, right?
Yep.
What you have to do is take this piece of paper right here and make an airplane with this piece of paper. Once your airplane is made, you are going to then throw your airplane as hard as you can, as far as you can. And whoever gets theirs the farthest wins out of the family, okay? The catch is everybody has pillows. Either while you're making it or throwing it, each person has 2 times to hit you with a pillow. That's it. But you only have 30 seconds to make and throw your plane. Okay, go.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Okay, you gotta put your pillow down now. You hit him once. Hurry! Throw it! Throw it! Throw it! Okay, there's where Dilly's is.
I won the money. The money is mine.
Okay, Grady.
The money was not yours.
Okay, hold on. 1, set, go. 10 seconds. 5 seconds, Grady. Get ready to throw it. Hurry, you're gonna be disqualified. Throw it. Grady's is a little bit ahead.
By a solid inch.
Yep. Okay, get your pillow so you can hit your sister, Grade. Mark, set, go. Your time. Okay, you gotta throw it. Throw it.
4,
Throw it.
2.
Oh my gosh. Good job. Mark, set, go. Oh, really? You can hit me harder than that. I'm running out of time!
Oh! Where it is? There it is.
Yes! It's mine! You win!
Hey, Grady, guess what?
Yes! You're mine!
Careful.
Okay, I think she won.
So, Riley, you've been the winner. I want to award you this.